Dear Pisces, this is a quick love reading for you for the month of September. The cards that I have here is Tower, Four of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Queen of Pentacles. So you might be dealing with the Earth sign Capri, Taurus, or Virgo, a Libra, and with the message that I'm getting from the Tower is that there is a relationship which has ended recently for you, or maybe there is a relationship which is going to end, and currently you were very dependent on this person. It was a long-term relationship. What I see here is maybe 2 years, 4 years, or maybe 7 years for some of you. So universe here is telling that you should not be worried about and concerned about the relationship which has recently been which has given you a lot of hurt and pain. So you should maybe you are financially also sharing your assets with this person, but universe here is telling you should not be bothered about that. You should just focus on currently your career and yourself. You should heal yourself from this old relationship. You should just let go, because with the judgment, this person is going to get the karmic justice which is due, and whatever they have done wrong to you, they will get that punishment for that. Not in the real sense punishment, but yeah, so once you are out of their life, they're going to realize that you were the person for them, you were the right person for them. Currently their judgment is not in their right senses. That is the reason why they are in this situation currently of separation with you, and so universe here is telling, just let go of this relationship and move out of this toxic environment. And because there is a huge opportunity coming towards you in terms of career. Your pentacles are looking good, your finances, your career, and you will be abundant. And also to just move out of this energy, maybe go on a vacation, give yourself some time to heal. Maybe you can go to I'm seeing you can go on a vacation to some mountain place where there is a lot of greenery. Maybe just go on a trek or something, heal yourself. And some of you are not even able to sleep at night because of this pain and this betrayal. But universe here is saying that you should start meditating, focus on yourself, and try and just give your attention to your work. And with the romance angel cards, the first card that I have here is separation. So time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So this is a separation card. It shows that there is a confirmation that this relationship has ended for good, and you should just focus on yourself at the moment and stay positive about your love life. Always think that there is someone better for you in future that the universe has installed. And for it is safe for you to love. So open your heart, give and receive the highest energies of